Ambassador, His Excellency Non Wrong, Chaudhry Salik Saab, Minister for Investment, PCBIF President and members, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the first steering committee meeting of Pakistan-China Business and Investment Forum, just a day before the visit of Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan to China. This makes this meeting very special. It is a pleasure that Chinese and Pakistani companies from various sectors are part of the steering committee and this conference. Pakistan and China are iron brothers and all-weather friends. Unfortunately, we failed to translate this relationship into a strong economic bond when China was creating a new economic miracle in the world. It was only in 2013 when, during the visit of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, a new course for Pakistan-China friendship was charted in the shape of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The first meeting of JCC was held in August 2013, and when I was preparing my welcome remarks, I was personally shocked to see that China was number 13 in foreign direct investment in Pakistan. China was there in foreign direct investment landscape of Pakistan. But due to China became the number one foreign direct investor in Pakistan. That was the new direction that CPEC brought in Pakistan and China relationship. In 2021, China has invested $145 billion abroad in different countries. And the top 5 destinations of $145 billion are Singapore, United States, South Korea, Netherlands, and Indonesia. Pakistan is still far below. I think the challenge for this forum is, how does Pakistan appear in the top 5 countries receiving Chinese overseas investments? This forum has to lay that path, that bulk of the overseas enterprises starts to flow into Pakistan. And that is the responsibility of this August forum, and I hope that we can realize that. Because the future belongs to turning our strong iron brotherhood into an iron brotherhood of economic partnership. That will require foreign direct investment, and that will also require strong trade between the two countries. China imports $2.25 trillion from all over the world. Out of that $2.25 trillion, Pakistan can only make $3 billion export to China, which is, I think, a crime and a sin, given the kind of relationship we have. So I would Pakistan-China Business and Investment Forum to also work with Pakistani enterprises on one side to have more investment in Pakistan, also help Pakistan improve its exports. Through you, we would like to be part of your global supply chains. The construction companies of China which are doing projects in Africa should also use Pakistani cement and steel products in their operations wherever there is commercial benefit for them. So Pakistani economy should become part of your global supply chain, and I think the best help China can provide to Pakistan is to help Pakistan improve its export potential, because that is one area that has led to our crash landing of economy every time we have taken a growth trajectory. So we look forward to working with Chinese enterprises to learn from their experience, to learn from their success, and for them to help Pakistan build a very robust private sector that can work along with Chinese enterprises through joint ventures to attract more investment in Pakistan and to help Pakistan improve its export potential. And let me assure you that we, under the direction and leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, removing all the bottlenecks, blocks, which can stand in the way of attracting more private investment into Pakistan and which can help facilitate better results for all the investors in Pakistan. In the end, I would also like to acknowledge and appreciate the contribution by Chinese enterprises that they have made towards the flood affectees. Some of them have met the Prime Minister, and some I had the honor to meet at the National Flood Response Coordination Center. We are grateful for showing your solidarity with Pakistan in this time of great disaster and great hardship. Thank you very much. Pakistan-China friendship Zindabad.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request the Honorable Prime Minister